Tonix Pharmaceuticals is down 52% from its recent high. Is right now the perfect time to buy, and where could the price be going next? These are the questions I'm going to be answering in this video. This is an update video to one I created about a month ago. I gave some price targets in the previous video, so let's see what the price has done since then and do some more analysis to see where the price could be going in the future. So this purple line is when this video was recorded, and these are the price targets I gave in the previous video. And we can see that the price hit our first target, found some resistance there, retraced a bit, and then went to our second and third price targets. So if you had seen the video and locked in some profits around these levels, then you should be in a good position to buy back at a discount now. So that is what happened since the last video. Let's now take a look at what the price could do in the near future. So I've just cleared everything, and now that the price has moved, we can use a similar technique to the one we did in the previous video to predict where the best price to buy now would be. So using the Fibonacci retracement tool, if we go from this low here up to this high, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is when stocks start retracing in the stock market, they tend to find support at one of these Fibonacci levels. The most common area where they tend to find support is this dark green area known as the golden zone, but in some cases we do see that break and price finds support closer to this level of the Fibonacci. Tonix Pharmaceutical is currently below the golden zone, so the current price is not too bad, but if we can get in around this Fibonacci level, which is $13.45, that would be even better. So an entry strategy you might want to consider is getting in around the current price and averaging down at this level if the price continues retracing down to here. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally important to have a good exit strategy in place. We have seen an example of how important an exit strategy is because that's what we use to lock in some profits around these highs. And similar to before, we can use this Fibonacci extension tool to get our exit strategy. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding the Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock or if I'm planning to invest in it. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by US politicians. This is because investing alongside key politicians is the most profitable strategy I've found in the stock market. Over the years, it has delivered returns that blow every other strategy completely out of the water, so I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. If you are curious about how I do this and how you can too, I put together this free video explaining how I use this strategy to find the most profitable trades, and I also go through the returns of this strategy over the past 3 years. The link to this video is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from this low up to this high, and this time if we pull the tool down to where this retracement has ended, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is these levels of the Fibonacci are where price tends to find resistance. We can see an example here. Price found resistance at the first level and started retracing down. And what investors using this tool like to do is lock in some profits at these levels, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So what are some levels where you might want to consider taking some profits? The first level is going to be around here. This is $29.62. The level above this is around here. This is $33.35. This level is $38.48. And finally, this level here is $45. So locking in some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels. So if you would like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you would like to learn how to profit like a politician, then the link to this free video is in the description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.